guys, it's me, Meredith. Today's video is super exciting for me because I'm going to VOODOO Fest in New Orleans tomorrow, actually. So I wanted to do a video of like all of my outfits because this is a really fun festival. Everyone dress up. Not everyone, but a lot of people dress up in costumes since it's so close to Halloween and it's not hot outside like most of the festivals in the summer. So you can actually like wear layers and wear cute clothes. So I'm going to kind of try to show you all of my outfits and like where everything is from first, and then a little bit of me getting ready, like my hair and makeup and everything, because that's a big part of it, obviously, and then try to get a little bit of footage every day at the festival. And so I hope you enjoy this video. These are cute costumes and outfits even if you're not going to a music festival, obviously just for like Halloween parties and going out. So I hope you like it. Here we go. Okay, so it's Friday morning right now. We're leaving in probably like less than an hour to go because I'm not in New Orleans yet. We're driving over this morning because it's like 2.5 hours. So I'm getting ready. I'm wearing cat ears today. I'll show you. I went to Walmart last night and I bought so much stuff. Not so much, but just like everything. I saw a lot more than I thought I would. I didn't know they had so much Halloween, like cute Halloween stuff. So I want to show you what I got. I'm doing a little bit of a mini haul. So I got some eyelashes and I really just like, I left my magnetic ones that I like at school, so I'm just like picked some cheap ones. I got these and these, and then I got the glue. And I got some fishnets because I could not find mine, so hopefully these work. What is this? Oh, okay, these are what I'm wearing today with my top, and so you'll see the whole outfit, but they match my top really good. I got these. Oh, it comes with a choker. Interesting. I got these to wear when I put my hair in pigtails on Sunday, so we'll see. I just kind of thought they were actually really cute. And then I got some red tights to wear on Saturday. They're thigh highs. These are like the only red ones, so whatever. And then I got these also to wear on Sunday, I think. I don't know. We're gonna see how these work out. I wanted high socks, but like these, like, they're gonna make me look like a grandma. And then what else? Okay, I got these earrings. I think I'm gonna wear these today. They're kind of like cute, I guess. They're like skulls. Spooky. And then I got some red glitter for the Saturday outfit. I got a big thing of this kind of glitter because I needed some chunky glitter. Okay, so this is pretty much my finished Friday outfit. I just filmed it before I left my house to go. I'm wearing those cat ears that I showed you from Walmart. My top is from H&M. It's just like a halter top, and then those are the fishnets that I got from Walmart. My skirt is also from H&M, and then I just paired it with like a leather like jacket, and I'm wearing those earrings from Walmart, the skull earrings. And then I tried to do a little bit of a close-up of my makeup. Didn't really work, but I just did like a purple eyeshadow and put on some lashes. Okay, so this is the finished makeup and the hair with the horns and some earrings. My eyes are kind of gold, so I just added some gold glitter to my face to kind of match the eye makeup. Everything else is pretty neutral. And then those big earrings I have on are from H&M, and the horns are from Target. And then I just wore a red bandana and some beads. And I did change my top when I got into the festival. Here's some footage from inside. But that cool red jacket is from TJ Maxx, and then my skirt and the bodysuit I wear under it are from Forever 21, and those are those tights from Walmart. Until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. Okay, here is Sunday's look. For my hair and makeup, I just did the pigtails and then I put in those little things I got from Walmart. I did kind of the same gold eye makeup, pretty neutral, everything else. That choker is from Forever 21. I wore it on Saturday too. And then I just took an older Drew Brees jersey that I had and cropped it for my top. And then that cheerleader skirt is from H&M. And I tried to wear those high white socks, but they looked a little weird and it was so muddy, so I just pushed them down and wore the same black boots that I had been wearing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.